All right, so this is the next sort of iteration of the garden sprayer. So here's the sprayer in the cart, but now I've got a battery that I can hook it up to, and that way I can kind of take this around the garden more easily than putting it behind the lawn tractor like I'd done before. So I'm going to try this out today. What I've done is used a product. This right here. Oops, get it out in the sun there so you can see it. So this is 32 ounces. And the way it mixes up is that 2 of these is approximately 15 gallons, and the rate of that it says on the back is, hang on a second, says that it's where is that? 6 fluid ounces per gallons of water, so that's good. And it'll treat about 16,000 square feet of warm season grasses, which we have Bermuda, so you can see it out there. And so when you do the calculations, 2 of these is perfect for that size container. So I just put 2 in, filled it up with water on my little garden battery there, which came out of my lawn tractor when I put a new one in, and that's awesome. So it sounds like this. Put that over there. It sounds like this when I start it up. So here we go, plug it onto the battery, and there we go. So that's just it charging up, and it'll go off once it gets the pressure right. So I'll show you it in action here in a minute. All right, so here we are set up. You can see this, as we said before, it's got a pretty good length of hose. The pump is still going, but it'll reach pressure here pretty quick. And we're going to treat this area down in here. So let me start up here and I'll show you what it looks like. Oop, hasn't reached pressure yet, so we'll give it a little longer.
Well, thank you for watching as we sprayed the lawn with our new sprayer from Harbor Freight. I think it turned out quite nicely. I hope you think so too. And next video, I hope to show you how I've hooked it on to the lawn tractor and put a big sprayer instead of just this little sprayer here. And we'll see how that works as we spray our lawn to make it so beautiful. Okay, that's enough for now. Ta-ta for later. Bye.